Hello, folks. I know some of you guys with the shows and the car shows, you hit the car show circuit and you want to make it like a nice little display. Check this out. This is what I made several years ago. See if I can turn it for you this way. You can display anything on there. Okay, you can change whatever you want to put up here. You can hang a show board, license plates. You could put a little writing of what is on your car and display it right there. But look how he did this. This is basically just a regular plain rotor. Bought it on eBay for really cheap. Doesn't matter what model it is because basically it's just a display. So I think I paid $8 for this. And shipping was $10 or whatever. So you just want chamfered, drilled, cross drilled, whatever, just to make it look fancy. Then you have a little piece of aluminum plate, 8 inches, already round. It's already cut. I bought it also from eBay. I bought these little fancy little lug nuts. Okay, those lug nuts, you can get the ones with the points. You could do any kind of design you want. They have the ones that are different anodized colors and stuff like that. Okay, this here is a stanchion that I took off of an old bus. Okay, you can make something there for yourself too. Make a little stand. This is actually a stand from a bus. Okay, remember you used to hang out by the bus and hang on to it. There you go. You can get one from a junkyard. A lot of things you can get from a junkyard. This is just regular plexiglass here. There's the other side of it. Made a nice little display. You can get the screws, keep the screws for yourself. Okay, that's how I got it on there. Nice and smooth. You can polish it up, make it nice and shiny. Let me show you what the bottom side looks like. So you can tilt this over. No, I don't want to ruin it. Let me just get a piece of cardboard there and cover it. Alright, I took the bus stanchion off. Now it has a little nut and bolt. Alright, this is what it looks like on the bottom. Look at that. Okay, I'm going to flip this over. Yowza, it's heavy. Okay, what I did here was I put some little rubber tabs so it doesn't mess it up when you hit it on the ground. Okay, those are like 1/2-inch thread bolts for the lug nuts. Put little washers in there. Okay, the 4 nuts and bolts is what holds the stanchion piece on. And look at that, have a nice little stand, nice little display. You can polish it. Like I said, it's a couple years old already, so it's kind of dirty, but you get the basic idea. Alright, you can make a stand any way you want. You can make this out of PCV pipe if you want to. Okay, it doesn't have to be a bus stand. Stainless steel. But I think it looks better this way. And to each his own. Alright, watch this too. I'm going to show you what I did is I display some license plates hanging down. Let me show you what that looks like. Ready? Let's set it up for you. Alright, see what it is. See if you can read it along. Cool, right? Let's turn it this way for you guys. That's what it would look like if you display it near your car. Alright, you guys into collecting plates? This is the way to go. Alright, thanks for watching.